Hi, welcome to the Digital Marketing Training Institute. Today we're going to discuss about the Advanced Digital Marketing Diploma. So let's get started. The demo presenters, Poonam and Siddhi. The topics that we'll be covering in the demo is who is the Digital Marketing Training Institute, which is a part of a company called SoftPro. SoftPro has been around since 1992. Then we'll go on to what is digital marketing. Basically, why is everybody shifting towards digital marketing? Then we talk about the traditional marketing versus the internet marketing. We discuss how digital marketing, that is your internet marketing, helps us to generate leads. What does our AD-MD course cover, where AD-MD stands for Advanced Digital Marketing Diploma? Tips and tricks of digital marketing. And finally, we cover who should do this course. Basically, what we cover is who should be doing this course and how would it benefit him or her. So let's get started. The Digital Marketing Training Institute is a division of a company called SoftPro. We own 3 centers in prime areas of Mumbai, which is Fort, Dadar and Andheri. SoftPro Training Institute, that is the SoftPro IT Training Institute, has been around since 1992. Our corporate division is called Corporate Trainers. The website for that is corporatetutors.com. We entered the web designing SEO industry in the year 2009. We launched a web designing and SEO services company in 2009. That's when the Digital Marketing Training Institute took. Thus, the Digital Marketing Training Institute started in August of 2009. We have trained over 165 plus batches. We have over 5,538 plus happy students, which includes our corporates as well. Now, what is traditional marketing? When we talk about marketing or advertising, so far we have seen newspaper advertisements, television ads, which is traditionally digital, billboards, boards, banners, radio advertisements, handbills. Then we have seen telecallers calling us up and trying to sell something, multi-level marketing, something like what Oriflame and Tupperware are. So basically these are the different modes of traditional marketing that we have been used to so far. Now comes the digital marketing channels. When we talk about digital marketing, the channel changes, the platform changes from the print media, the screen media to the web media, that is your internet platform. So when we say that we are online, what we mean is either our website, either our Facebook page or some social platform, that's your online presence. Once you are online, that means either your website or whether you have launched your products on Amazon, Flipkart, any e-commerce presence, some social media presence. Once you are online, then your next step is to be on the top of being online. What I mean by that is if somebody Googles for, let's say, buy mobiles, then we expect our website to come on top. And the reason we all are fighting for the top spot is once we are on top, the person would click on our link. That basically means search engine optimization. When we target our website or our Facebook page to come on the first page of Google, Bing or Yahoo. Then we cover your PPC, that's your pay per click. That is in the form of Google AdWords, that is your search network, display network. Then you go on to the social media marketing, which basically includes your Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Twitter, LinkedIn marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing. Sometimes when you're playing games, you'll realize down there are some ads coming up. If you click on it, it takes you either to the website or the product. Then you have the affiliate marketing, banner advertisement marketing, digital display marketing. So these are the different channels of digital marketing. There are some internet facts, the future facts, why people are going to, and it's inevitable that digital marketing is going to stay around. So the research that was taken by Mr. Rajan Anandan, he's the MD of Google India. I'll just cut it short. We are talking about India It took India 10 years from 10 million users to 100 million users. But it took only 2 years for 100 to 200 million users. In the year 2015, it was expected us that India would have crossed 300 million internet users, but we have done it above 300 million internet users in the year 2015. So basically, I'll come down. We are expecting that there are already 35 million Indians who are buying products online. It could be electronics, it could be buying a ticket, it could be buying baby products, it could be buying services, etc. We are expecting it to touch 100 million people using the internet to buy goods by 2016. E-commerce is 5 billion this year and will be 15 billion in 2016. I think 15 billion is a very conservative word. I think it will be more than 15 billion. Anyway, so these are a few facts. In our world, why internet marketing is gaining the importance that it is? Because first, according to us, internet marketing gets you leads, that is, who are looking for your product. You're narrowing down your lead. Let's say, for example, today if you're watching this demo, you actually search for us. You may have typed digital marketing courses or digital marketing demo, and once you put in your search, we came up. That means we are not showing this video to anybody who's not interested in our product. We are showing you because you are interested in us. Now basically, these are lead generations. The leads come looking for you, and as a business owner, it's your job to be around when a user is looking for you. What I mean by you is your product, your service. You need to exist online. Because the minute I even type buy mobile online, and if you are a mobile store, and if you are not available on the net for me, I'm not going to buy from you. Even if your mobile is much cheaper than the other, because I don't see you. Correct? Another thing is, when you're online, it's very easy to make changes to your campaigns. Like normally we give hoardings and boards. If you want to make changes in that, you need to reprint the whole banner, reprint the whole hoarding. But online, when you are creating your campaigns, you can make a few changes instantly. The costing is very low with digital marketing. You pay only when you convert. What I mean by this is, when you see the advertisements online, only when you click on it are you charged for it. We go on to demographics. Let's say, for example, I'm trying to sell Pampers. The demographics are available for me, for the targeted audience. So when I'm selling Pampers, I will say I want to sell it only to the women. I want to sell it only to women with children. Again, I will further down, narrow it down to women with children who are under 2 years, and so on, so forth. So the demographics are available for us. Now, digital marketing is available for all types of business. Small business, mid-size, large size, multinational. Each and every business owner will need digital marketing. That's why once you become a digital marketer, the future is bright. It's more about quality rather than quantity. Because what happens in digital marketing is, you get ready leads looking for you. The only person who calls you is the one who's interested in your product, in your business. We go further. Active marketing rather than passive marketing. Passive marketing is when you have a hoarding and you are hoping that people will see your hoarding or your banner or your ad. While active marketing is, people actually see your ad and then they pick up the phone and they dial you, and it's more engaging. What we mean by engaging, we'll come to it much later. Another thing that digital marketing gives you, this platform, is that you can measure your marketing success or failure. That means each and every platform, that is if you're doing Facebook marketing or you're doing Google AdWords or you're doing search marketing, they all give you the analytics. So let's say, for example, if I have a budget of 5,000 and I used it in the matter of 1 month, Google gives me a report as to how many people came on my website, what was their age, what was the gender, what was their qualification. So there's a lot of analytics that are shared with the advertiser. which is fantastic. So if at all your ad is not working, you know, maybe you're targeting the wrong kind of people, and you'll make changes to your ad campaigns, correct? So analytics are a fantastic feature. Analytics, according to me, is the backbone of digital marketing. So let's go further. So in short, whether you like it or not, digital marketing is here to stay. I know a lot of CEOs, we deal with a lot of corporates, and sometimes they're still hesitant to bring in digital marketing for their businesses. In a way, they feel that they have existed for hundreds of years without it, so why would they need to change? But the truth is that you need to adapt digital marketing if you are planning to exist in this world. I know it's a very strong term. Now, let's see the top 10 benefits of digital marketing. The first benefit I look at is level playing field. That is, anyone can compete with anyone. What I mean by that is, let's say for example, if you type digital marketing courses, you will see us, you will see another company and another company. Doesn't matter if that company has 20 centers or somebody has 3 centers or somebody has 1 center. Each one can market and target people, correct? So it's a level playing field. To explain this better, I would say, let's say for example, in Times of India, if I want to give a full page ad, probably a company like ours would not be able to afford it. We would be able to afford only a 10-inch ad, correct? But online, everybody is marketing, whether it's a big company or a small company, everybody is competing with each other on the same platform. Second, reduce cost of sales. As compared to traditional marketing, in digital marketing, the cost of sales is negligible. The third important part is simple to measure. As I mentioned to you about the analytics, you can actually measure how many people have visited your websites, for how long they stayed on your website, what did they click on, when did they exit your website, so exactly when did they lose interest. So a lot of measurements, a lot of analytics are shared with you, which is not the case of traditional marketing. Once your ad is executed, you basically do not have much analytics about who actually saw your ad, correct? Then you have something called real-time results. You actually have some softwares which give you the real-time results about what's happening on your website, how many people are on your website, what are they doing on your website. You can have an entire insight. Another thing, far greater exposure. So if I have my Facebook, if I'm doing Facebook marketing and I want to target somebody sitting in Syria, or I want somebody sitting in London, or someone in New York, I could actually do that sitting on at a click of a mouse, sitting on my computer. So basically, digital marketing has a far greater exposure. This is something that you cannot even compare with. If you have a website and you want to show it in Dubai, you can just do it within a few clicks. You don't have to go via any agency or anything. It's excellent. Next, you can refine your strategy as per your opportunities. So if you are basically, if you are dealing in multiple products or multiple services, you can refine your strategy separately for each and every product. Digital marketing is viral. What we mean by viral, we'll come to it. There'll be an example which I'll show you much later. But viral marketing in short basically means is when you release something and people like it so much that they share it, and once they share it, it becomes like a viral. Just imagine a sneeze. If I sneeze and you get a cold, and you sneeze and the next person gets a cold, it's like a viral, just like a viral disease, right? So it becomes really, it gets viral very fast. Next, non-intrusive. Digital marketing is non-intrusive. What I mean by non-intrusive is, let's say for example, a telecaller calls you. Hello ma'am, are you looking for a loan? And I'm actually in the middle of a movie, or I'm in the middle of an important meeting, or I'm talking to my kid and suddenly I'm intruded. A call comes on and it interrupts me. Or if I'm watching a match on television and suddenly, you know, the over is over and the ads just squeeze in, and I'm saying, "Arey, ek replay to dikha diya hota." So basically what I mean is, normally your traditional marketing ads, they intrude you, they interrupt you. While digital marketing, since you are the ones who are searching for us, it is non-intrusive. You will not be interrupted by it, because only when you need that product, you are searching for it. Now, what does greater engagement mean? Engagement is basically a two-way conversation. In the sense, you can have when you have an ad and you get a reaction from the crowd, you get in the form of comments, or you have a live chat. So digital marketing gives you a greater engagement. Sometimes people are following you even if after they have bought your product. They're following you on Facebook. They're aware of what your new products are coming out. So there are many advantages to digital marketing, and this is one of the main ones. Finally, a website can hold your whole world instead of a single page ad. This is my most favorite advantage. Just compare a website with a full page ad also. Imagine a full page Times of India ad and a website. A website tells you about us, it tells you to contact, it gives you information. Just take our website for instance. It has the entire information of your course. It has a download brochure. You can actually download the whole brochure. You can actually watch a couple of videos. You can get the fees. You can contact us. You can precisely, our whole world is there. You can look at our institute pictures. So basically, as it mentioned, a website can hold your whole world instead of a single page ad. You could actually have a camera walkthrough in our institute. So you really don't even need to visit us because you anyway know us already. Correct? So basically these are the top 10 benefits of digital marketing, whereby this is the reason why digital marketing is here to stay. Just a few facts. Radio took 38 years to reach 50 million users. Television took 13 years to reach 50 million users. But the internet took 4 years to reach 15 million users. That's a fact. I was talking about viral marketing. This is a social media post. It got over 1 million likes. Please understand, 1 million likes and 500,000 shares. The statistics most important for me here is 500,000 shares in just 1 week. This was an ad many years back. It's an American ad of some baby product, not a very famous baby product. They just launched a new baby product and they had issued this small image on Facebook, and it had 1 million likes and 500,000 shares. This is what you call viral marketing. If you look at this image, you just feel like sharing this image. And below they had the brand, and this image was shared all over the internet. It had become viral. Correct? So that's what we mean by viral marketing. Now, how to create leads via digital marketing? A few ideas to carry home. I will start with the most basic one, that's Facebook marketing. All you need to do is, I know most of you watching this, rather all of you watching this should have a Facebook page. On the right hand side of the Facebook page, you have some 3 dots. Click on it and you can click on create a page. Over there, you can actually create a company page. Please go through the steps. They're very simple. Once you have created the company page, you can invite your friends to like the page. Once your friends have liked the page, you can request them to share the page. Now, at an average, even if you're watching this video, at an average, per person has 200 friends on their Facebook. At an average. So there must be some with 50, some with 100, some with 1,000. I myself have 450 friends. So when somebody shares the company page, his friends get to see the page. So this way you can actually create a branding of your company page. People get to see it, request them to share it again and again. So that way you get about, you could say 10 to 20,000 eyeballs on your company page. If anybody is interested in a product, they will call you. This is free. You're just making a company page, you're requesting a few people to share it and share it again. And this is a free advertisement for you. Now coming to email marketing. As you know, email marketing is the oldest form of digital. And today email marketing, you can't imagine your life without email. Right? So email marketing, it's free. Just open a Gmail account or a Yahoo account. Collect your email addresses. Today, if you're working in an office, request all your friends to give you the email ID. Start creating a list. If you're attending some conferences, request people for the email IDs. Start building a list of emails. And then you can send them out bulk emails. introducing your product or service. Plus, in the market, you have many email database available for a mere 2000 rupees. So email marketing is again another free service where you could do digital marketing from. If you're selling a product, request your customers to give you a feedback. Today, getting a feedback is the most easiest. Just take your mobile, ask him to speak something, record him, share it on Facebook, and people will actually see a real life video of a real customer. Furthermore, if somebody doesn't want to give you a video, just click his snap, ask him to text you a few good things about your product. If he's liked it, good, bad, whatever, feedback is always welcome. And you can share it on your Facebook page, you can share it on your website. So this is one more way of creating leads. Use LinkedIn. If we are all professionals over here, probably most of us are professionals watching this video or going to be professionals. Please use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very underused. LinkedIn is I personally call LinkedIn a place where you get poached for a better job. I really mean the word poached. Poached basically means is when somebody pulls you from a current company to actually promote you. So LinkedIn is a very good platform. If you're a professional, it's good to be on LinkedIn so people can see what you have done in your life. That is your background, your education, your current job, what you're good in, what is your focus, what is your forte. So please have a LinkedIn account. For that, you don't need to join our course. Just go to LinkedIn, go there, create a page. It's very self-explanatory. Put in your image, write in your qualifications, and start creating connections. Join groups. Right? So this is one way of creating leads. So if you're someone who does public speaking, create a LinkedIn page, start joining groups which are related to public speaking, and over there keep posting, start a blog, again which is free of cost. Correct? So these are a few leads to start using digital marketing before you join our course. Then you have something called offer live chat on your website. There's a website called Zopim, ZOPIM.com. Go over there. They'll give you a few codes, add it to your website, and you can actually have a live chat on your website for free. All this above ideas I've given you are free of cost. Coming to the first idea which I didn't cover, that is your PPC. That stands for pay per click. That is a paid way of advertising on the internet media. But the rest of the tips that I've given you are all free of cost. Try doing it and you'll see the difference. So let's move on. Why digital marketing and what does it do for your career and business? The Digital Marketing Training Institute is for professionals, marketing heads, entrepreneurs, business owners, CEOs, media professionals. Basically today, if you ask me, I feel digital marketing is for everyone. Even if you're a musician, you need to be online. You record your song, put it on YouTube. If people like it, they're going to appreciate you. If they appreciate you, you're going to earn from YouTube as well. So basically, digital marketing, according to me, anybody in the business development field, marketing field, advertisement field, in any field for that matter, it is a must. There's no way you can escape it, right? So the first advantage, you can actually double your business with internet marketing. So if you've been doing the traditional things and now you add digital marketing to it, have your Facebook page, go on Google Plus, put in your address, see people how they can catch you on Google Map. So there's a lot, it's a whole ocean right there. Increase traffic to your website or your pages, Facebook pages. So our course Digital Marketing helps you increase traffic to your website. You can optimize your social media presence once you have a Facebook company page or your own Facebook page and you want to promote it further to a particular class of people, you could actually advertise it. We guarantee to improve your search engine rankings. What we mean by that is once you learn SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, you learn enough, you gain the expertise to improve your search rankings. So if you're ranking at number 10, after you learn this course, you would be on a higher ranking. Same way, if you're not ranked at all, you can come in the rankings of Google, Bing, Yahoo. That's what you learn in search engine optimization. How to rank higher, how to rank your website higher on Google and other platforms. You gain expertise on running Facebook campaigns. Basically, we teach you how to run campaigns on Facebook, whether it is for the likes, whether it is for visits to your website, whether it's for an event, whether it's for an exhibition, etc. I am just going to go back, right? And finally, improve your career and get a better job. Now, this is specifically what I'm going to say is for my MBAs, my new MBA marketers. You always argue with me, or when you inquire with us, especially MBA students and marketing or whichever business development field, they always tell us, "Ki, what is this going to do for my career?" Now, my answer to you is, digital marketing is a skill. This is one skill that you need to have to be a marketer. Whether it's an internet marketing or you're coupling the traditional marketing with it, digital marketing is a must. This skill is a necessity for you. So not only does it improve your career, it helps you remain in business, right? So these are the few mix social media with organic optimization. How to create live campaigns. Basically, just for your knowledge, we have 18 live projects. 18 live projects you'll be working on. Furthermore, we even teach you how to make money online through affiliate marketing. All in all, you'll gain expertise on the digital marketing platforms. We have tried to squeeze in most and rather all of the digital marketing platforms. That's why our course is a little lengthy. It is of 85 hours plus. Now, become a digital marketing expert. Learn what our course does for you is you learn in-depth and advanced digital marketing tools. You work on 18 live projects. You create your own campaigns. You have 80% practicals. This is something we're really proud about. You have 80% practicals. You learn how to make money online and you get to know all the modules of digital marketing. A few things what our students speak. If you want, you can even go on YouTube. We have our students speak for us. Those of you who are watching the video can pause this page. I'm just going to go ahead right now. Now, what does the Advanced Digital Marketing Diploma contain? What do you teach? You're going to ask me. Well, our course contains basically 18 modules. And it starts with SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. Then we go on to Social Media Optimization, which we say SMM for Social Media Marketing. Or you can even call it Social Media Optimization. Both of them are covered in that second module. Then we go on to Google AdWords. In Google AdWords, you learn your search network, display network. You learn merchandising. You learn YouTube ads, video ads. So basically, the complete Google AdWords is covered with you. Now, when you're learning Google AdWords, we even cover the how to appear for Google certification. Google certification is free of cost. We go on to Google Analytics. Then we have affiliate marketing, digital strategies. I think I forgot this. It's list building techniques, how to do viral marketing, how to create a blog, online branding. Then you have mobile marketing, display banner advertisements, how to have display banner advertisements on different platforms. Then you have email marketing. You have streaming profits. Now this is something new that we have added. Streaming profits basically is that nowadays you have something called live streaming, and it's catching on very heavily. In the sense, live streaming means, you take a live video and promptly put it online. So that is called live streaming. So if somebody is jumping from a mountain or skydiving from the mountain and you live stream it and share it on real time, so that's really picking up now. And then we have online reputation management, Google AdSense, how to promote content marketing with infographics. And here, most important, we have top 10 bonuses, which we'll discuss when you come and visit us. We have 10 bonuses, that is different kind of software which help you with digital marketing, which are mostly used online. So coming to your course, it's an 85-hour classroom training. So 85 to 90 hours, I would say, because sometimes the duration increases. Then we have 18 live projects and campaigns that you work on. And it's 80% practicals with job assistance. Let me move on. So this is your ADMD Digital Marketing Diploma, which in all has 18 modules. Now, what kind of job opportunities are available for digital marketing? You have careers for this field are soaring, and you know why. By now you must believe in digital marketing, because I've given you all the advantages, and you know that one cannot do without it. And in fact, in our a simple thing like WhatsApp, I'm sure most of you use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a huge digital marketing tool as well. Now, India is the biggest nation in broadband usage. The highest number of mobile users in the world are in India. Jobs are plenty. Many of our students have started their own digital marketing setup. So it's not that you just do this course and you take up a job. You could actually start your own digital marketing agency. There are a lot of freelancing opportunities which we discuss with you towards the end of the course. Different kind of job titles are right over here. You can please go through it by pausing this video. I'll go ahead. So conclusion, why choose us? We choose to believe that we are one of the first institutes to introduce a full-fledged training program in digital marketing. ADMD has the most advanced and in-depth course contents with 80% practicals. We choose to believe we are the pioneers of digital marketing training program in Mumbai. Our live projects and campaign management are the most liked by our ex-students. So it's digital marketing is something that you're not born with, but it's a skill that you can learn, and we believe that we can teach you that skill in the most efficient manner possible. So these are our numbers: 9833 900 110 and 330. Should you feel like giving us a call and speaking to our counselor, please feel free to do so. So this brings us to the end of our course. Rather, this brings us to the end of our workshop, our demo. Should you have more questions, please call us. Thank you.